good, YouTube? It's your boy Tiberius here, back with another video for you guys. I know, like I always say, it's been a minute. Today, just want to make a video on a topic that I felt was important. Number one, I just want to hope you guys are having a happy new year. You know what I'm saying? Let's just be blessed that we walked into 2023, another year. Just grateful. Let's just be grateful for that. You know, the fact that we can do that. And I hope that we are going and achieving towards our goals and what we are fighting for next. Today, like I said, I wanted to speak to you guys about a topic that I felt was important. Yes, I'm kind of speaking to my own community a little bit on this factor, only because I feel like we're a little behind and we need a little bit more information to get ourselves ahead. So this information is for you guys to catch up, and that way we can be grinding and get into our process and do what we gotta do. Number one, I just want to say that you need to focus on a career that can get you up to 80 grand a year. Now, not everybody wants to go to college. Not everybody, is bookworm smart and stuff like that. Some people are not, like that. But, there's other ways of getting to that, employment without having to go get a job. You can get a certification. Now, that certification may vary, but I'm just giving you guys the roots or the seed in order to plant into your mind and start doing research on these things in order for you to get to the next level in your life. Like I said, as y'all know, I'm becoming a PCT in dialysis to become a CCHT, which is a clinical certified hemodialysis technician. Now, what that means is basically I'm obviously a dialysis technician. But with this job, you can make anywhere from $65,000 to $104,000 a year. You can search it up on Google. You know what I'm saying? Look at the percentiles, and they'll tell you. This certification will only take you, 3 to 12 months to get. Depending on how your training goes, and if it's like an official training where you do your training for 3 months. And like New York, Texas is a little bit different. I got my job through DaVita as a PCT. And now I'm studying for the CCHT as I got certified as a PCT. But in New York, they have a formal class where you can you can't work on the floor until you're certified as a CCHT technician. So, it's just giving you guys ideas on what you can do if you're not like into the medical field or you're trying to get into tech. I was looking into some cybersecurity. You can make $80,000, $100,000, $200,000 as cybersecurity. Into cybersecurity, and as well, you can look into just a multitude of different things, right? So what I was looking at as well is becoming a surgical technician after I get certified. It may be still on the list. I don't know. I'm still iffy about what I want to do about that. But there's multiple ways about going about it. I feel like in the Black community, especially, I feel like we need to make anywhere from 60, or just a bare minimum. I'm telling y'all, $60,000 to $80,000 a year minimum. Most of us are not even hitting 25 or 30. So, you need to look into jobs and careers that's gonna do that. That's gonna get you to that level. I'm just here to plant a seed for y'all guys and give y'all some possible opportunities to look into, so that you can find work that'll be able to help you get to where you're trying to go. The most important thing is you need to find a career that can get you to that level, because that way you'll make the income that you need to save and invest into what you're trying to do. You can't really invest without no money, you know what I'm saying? And if you have a career line and a certification that can basically stabilize you into what you're trying to do, it'll be very important. So, my son is in the background. He laying down right now. It's time to go to bed. But, basically, it's very important that you do that. So you want to get a career where you can make enough money to invest into yourself, and then you can transfer into saving money, building your credit, so you can spend your money wisely on things that help you invest into like real estate and other certifications, or even just building your own business. You know what I'm saying? And you need the income to do that. So, you know what I'm saying? And the only reason I'm saying that as well is just basically giving y'all a platform that even if you do fall off, you'll have something to fall back on that can generate you enough money to take care of you and, and give you a comfortable lifestyle. Most people want to, they want to run into the business and do it. And sometimes you just gotta, in this generation, everything is instant gratification, and you don't always want to do that. Sometimes you just want to take your time, slowly plan and work your way up, because then you'll have certain things to fall back on. Or you can be doing this while you're building your business on the side. This is the information I'm trying to give y'all so that y'all can proceed on what y'all doing, whatever path that you're doing, just give you an idea that can help you, you know what I'm saying? Just having that career line or that, that certification backing you in what you're trying to invest into will get you to where you want to go, and you'll have the income to continue to invest on what you're doing on the side. That's the most important part. Like my career line, I'm trying to get myself up to 100K a year, but I know that, it's a certain percentile that's going to get me to 100K, or I have to move to a certain area to make the 100K. And, your area may vary when it comes down to the cost of living. So I can make 100 grand here in Texas, and I'll have a significant different life if I made 100K in New York, because New York is more expensive. So it won't really be, it'll be a different effect, you know what I'm saying, to the way I live, but you'll still be living a good life, you know what I'm saying, in general, because not everybody in New York, especially in our community, can make 100K a year. So this is thoughts I want to share with you guys. Feedback to me, just let me know what you think, and appreciate you. See you guys in the next one.